Hi, I'm Rob Guthins with ServiceMaster Advanced, and I want to talk to you just a little bit about why you call a mitigation company first when you have a fire. Number one, a mitigation company comes in and they can save your most precious possessions. We arrange for the pack out of your contents, and we have a lot of people that come to us and say, oh my God, my stuff is so damaged, it's so soot covered, there's no way it can be saved, and you will be surprised. These are some pictures of what we've done, and you can see the black soot on some of them, and it did clean up. Here's some others. Now, the cymbal might be easy to clean, but look at the drum. The glasses, look at the top, the Chinaware. So we pack out all of the contents and we very carefully pack it up. We're the only mitigation company that I'm aware of that has a dedicated team of ladies. Mostly middle-aged ladies have been doing this for 30-something years who take extreme care in what they do. They pack it all out very carefully. We take it in a room and we clean every single content. Then we repack it and store it in climate-controlled warehouse, which ensures that it's not going to get damaged. We arrange for the furniture to be packed out with a special mover that does this all the time. Our ladies, I get comments and compliments, letters about what they do over the years. Very simply, the ladies can clean all your contents. We arrange for the move out, the pack out, the storage, the move back. And yes, there are a lot of contractors that can rebuild you. But I would submit to you that there are very few, if any, mitigation companies that can save your most precious possessions. I don't want to make a super long video, but I can tell you that we can arrange for the build back if that's what you need. And we work with a number of contractors who are experienced in dealing with insurance companies on claims. They know exactly how to navigate those waters. They're not going to rebuild you past what your insurance company is going to pay without you knowing about it, and you're going to get stuck with a giant bill. But that's the subject for another video. But what I'm telling you as a consumer, when you have a smoke damage, water damage situation, or a fire that requires pack out, that requires detailed cleaning, that the choice of a mitigation company is the most important choice that you'll make. That's why you call us first. If we can help you, don't hesitate to call us. ServiceMaster, the master of disaster, 251-653-9333.